Hello friends, welcome back to my famous, well-known, creative, informative and unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on attendance system using Python, we have seen many videos on machine learning attendance system. Our latest video was attendance taken at front end and back end using CSV file. Then we have seen attendance system using face recognition. We have also seen attendance system using Streamline. Today's video is about attendance system in different style. So let us go through the program code first. Now we will execute the program. Yes, a nice sticky interlibrary graphics has been displayed. Unless until you enter enrollment number and name, you cannot proceed further. Take a photo. Yes, photo has been taken. Fine. Check the attendance. Fine. Train the images. Fine. Test the images. Okay. SSM has been displayed. And wait, we can take now we will go through CSV file. Yes, here we can see here SSM has been displayed. Fine. So I successfully done with face recognition attendance system in different style with front end attendance and also back end attendance. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on attendance system using Streamline. Thanks for watching.